Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how you can actually go and collect super likes on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom of the screen, we have everything about your profile. We have messages. We have the plus button where you can go, of course, and put your own content in. We have the explore and everything about your profile at the end. So now let's see guys how you can actually go and collect super likes on Likee. So it is pretty easy. You can receive the super likes pretty easily. So all creators can receive super like from followers by posting videos. So the thing that you need to do is of course constantly post video on the application. Quality content is more likely to receive more super likes. So basically, if your content is quality, if everything is good, you'll receive more likes. Bringing more mandatory revenue, only verified creators can withdraw the revenue from super like. The creators can check receipt super like and senders on their profile page. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.